Meaning of freebooting.
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 Freebooting. Freebooting is a term used to describe the act of taking someone else's online content and re-uploading it without permission. This is a type of copyright infringement that can be harmful to content creators who rely on their work to generate income or build an audience. Freebooting can occur on social media platforms, blogs, and other digital spaces where content is shared. It can also negatively impact the quality of online discourse by allowing false or misleading information to spread unchecked. It is important for individuals and platforms to take measures to prevent and address freebooting.